Good morning, students. Good morning, parents. My name is Rehana, primary educator from grade 3. Today, we would be learning numbers and number system. Numbers from 800 to 1000. Also, after which, we will continue multiples of 10, multiples of 100, and multiples of 1000. We would be doing a lot of exercises on this. So, let's get started. Okay. So this is the presentation that I have made for you. Very simple, easy to understand. Okay. So if you go ahead and have a look at this, these are numbers that we would begin from 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. Now, if you see, I have only started this from 1 up till 10. I have written it in one row. Okay. Similarly, we would continue writing this in this manner. This would be from 811 right up till 820. Then again from 821 to 830. Then 831 to 840. And then we come from 841 to 850. Okay, if you write it in this manner, it is easy to read and simple to understand. Okay, one information just to share with you, students. If you have a look at this, look at the digits in the first row in the units place. It is just simply written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And before that, what is it? You can see 80, 80. That is 80, 80, 80 everywhere. Right? The second row, you will again see it is 11, 12, 13, 14. It goes on the screen right up till 50. You are adding only 8 everywhere. That's because we are writing it from 800 to 850 on this slide. Okay, then again we continue from 851 to 860. Okay, then we have from 861 to 870, 871 to 880, 881 to 890, 891 to 900. Once again here, if you see, we've continued writing from 51, 52, 53, 54 and so on till we come to 899 and then 900. We have added all 8s at the start. That is the third digit, which is in the hundreds place. Okay. Okay. So now that we have learned till 851 to 900 on this slide. Okay. I think right from 801 till 900 should not be difficult for you to write. Okay. So we move on to the next one, which is from 900 to 950. It's the very same way. In the first row, I have written 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906, 907, 908, 909 and 910. Right? Entire slide will have these 3-digit numbers, which are for ones, the tens and the 100 place. Okay. So we continue from 911 to 920, then 921 to 930, 931 to 940, 941 to 950. Now because we are writing this number for 900, that's the reason why you will see at the start, you will see 9s written everywhere. Alright, in the hundreds digits. The next slide continues from 951 to 960. 961 to 970, 971 to 980, 981 to 990, and here when I'll just read this out to you. That's 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, and because it's 999, we would then move on to a 4-digit number, that's 1000. So here you have 4 digits, that is the units, the tens, the hundreds and the thousand. Alright. Okay, so students, now that we have learnt, we will go to a next topic here, which is very simple and easy to understand. Alright, like we learnt earlier, the tables of 10. Okay, can we all recite that quickly? Yes, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Very good. That's written here in this first row. Okay, a small chart, if you can just have a look at this, it shows numbers from 100 up to 1000. Now, here if you check the way we read this, every number here has a difference of 10 numbers in them, right? Like we read till 100. Okay, if I read this out to you, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. If you have a look at these numbers, children, what you would see is there are difference of 10 numbers in between them. Okay, so this will continue, go on from 210 to 300, from 310 to 400, 410 to 500, 510 to 600, 610 to 700, 710 to 800, 810 to 900, and then we have 910 to 1000. Earlier, what we had written in this seen in the slides were from 800 up to 1000, but we had written in detail like a number chart, like 801, 802, 803 and so on. But here we are skipping every 10, like we say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, after 100, when you count the next 10 numbers, you'll get 110, 120, 130, 140 and so on. Okay, so skipping every 10th number become multiple of 10, like a 10 times table. Very simple. Similarly, look at these colors over here which are highlighted at the extreme right hand side corner. Those have 2 zeros along with it, and at the end is your 1000, which are 3 zeros. So this, can you all repeat after me? Say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Very good. Now this, what we read, are multiples of 100. The meaning multiple means it's one above the other. It goes on, it multiplies. Okay, so it becomes bigger and bigger. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. These were multiples of 100. Okay, so we have learned the multiples of 10. We learned the multiples of 100. Similarly, if somebody can now tell me the multiples of 100 on their own, I'll show you once again. Here we had 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Okay, and similarly the multiples of 1000. Now remember here, from a 3-digit number we are entering to the family of a 4-digit number. Okay, which is units, the tens, the hundreds and the thousands. So multiple of 1000, all of you all repeat after me. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000. Okay, so these are multiples of 1000. All right. Now we have practice work. Okay, in this practice work, I would like to inform you all here. It's very simple. Now the number chart to be written from 800 to 900 on one page, like I showed you my slide. So it was easy for me to just read. That was from 801 to 850. If you have space on the same page, you can continue from 851 to 900 on one page. Okay. Then again, number chart to be written from 900 to 1000 on the other page. Right? It is easier when we revise and when we flip pages. You will write the heading 800 to 900. You can read that whenever. The next from 900 to 1000. Okay. The revision of multiples is what we have just done for 10, for 100 and for 1000. That you need to learn and recite orally. Okay. Alright. So this is what we have completed. Alright. Myself, Rehana from grade 3. Taken maths today for you. I hope you have enjoyed this session like I did. And I am signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay safe.